tried a new restaurant downtown. It was amazing. What kind of food do they serve?
It's Italian, and their pasta is to die for. We should go there together sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan it soon.
Have you seen any good movies recently?
I watched a great comedy last weekend.
Oh, I love comedies. What's the title?
It's called Laugh Out Loud. It's hilarious.
I'll have to check it out.
You should, it's a good one.
How's your family doing?
They're all good, thanks. How's yours?
They're doing well too. My brother just got a new job.
That's awesome. What's he doing now?
He's working in marketing. He's really excited about